Think about this for a second. What if your entire house could follow you wherever you wanted to go? No monthly rent. No hotel reservations. No expensive flights. Just one compact vehicle that gives you the freedom to wake up beside a beach today, park in the mountains tomorrow, and explore a quiet forest the day after that. It sounds like a fantasy, but this futuristic camper tricycle is making that lifestyle possible. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary three-wheel vehicle, but hidden inside is something that completely changes the way we think about travel and tiny living. The first thing you'll notice is its futuristic appearance. Unlike traditional RVs that are large and boxy, this camper has a sleek, modern design that instantly catches everyone's attention. Every curve seems carefully sculpted to improve aerodynamics while giving it an eye-catching look. Whether it's parked at a campsite or driving through a busy city, people can't help but stop and stare. Some pull out their phones to record videos, while others simply smile in disbelief because they've never seen anything like it before. The three-wheel configuration isn't just about looking unique. It offers several practical advantages. The vehicle is much smaller than a standard motorhome, making it easier to drive through narrow streets, winding mountain roads, and crowded parking areas. Instead of feeling nervous every time you approach a tight corner, you can confidently continue your journey knowing that this compact camper is designed for flexibility. One of the biggest problems with traditional RVs is their size. While they offer plenty of living space, they also come with major compromises. Fuel costs can become extremely expensive. Parking often turns into a challenge. Driving through older towns or scenic routes can be stressful because many roads simply weren't designed for oversized vehicles. This camper tricycle solves those problems by proving that smart design is often better than simply making everything bigger. Walking around the exterior reveals just how much attention has been paid to every detail. The body panels fit together seamlessly, creating a modern appearance that feels more like a luxury concept vehicle than a conventional camper. Large windows allow passengers to enjoy panoramic views throughout the journey while filling the interior with natural light. Now let's step inside. Storage solutions are another impressive feature. Living in a compact vehicle requires exceptional organization, and this camper delivers exactly that. Hidden compartments beneath seats, overhead cabinets, built-in shelves, and cleverly designed storage areas allow travelers to bring everything they truly need without creating clutter.